Brace yourselves for the latest scoop. Samsung is cooking up not one, but two electrifying Galaxy Tab A-series tablets. The Galaxy Tab A9 and the jaw-dropping Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. These tablets are here to conquer and succeed the Galaxy Tab A8, 8-inch 2019, and its 10.5-inch sibling from 2021. And guess what? Samsung accidentally spilled the beans on their existence through support pages on their website. Oops. Hold on to your seats because the action doesn't stop there. The Galaxy Tab A9 has made appearances on the FCC Wi-Fi Alliance and Bluetooth side platforms. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus has been spotted on the Bluetooth side and Geekbench websites. Now, the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus has scored an FCC certification, unveiling the tablet's secrets, dimensions, battery capacity, charging speed, and connectivity galore. According to the FCC, the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus SNX 210 measures a whopping 257.11 x 168.66 x 6.94 millimeters. Compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy Tab A8 10.5-inch, it's flexing its muscles with potentially a larger screen. And let's not forget the power within. A 7040 mAh battery with a 15W charging turbo boost and dual-band Wi-Fi, just like the Galaxy Tab A8 10.5-inch. Ready for the elite specs? Brace yourselves. The Galaxy Tab A9 Plus has stepped into the Geekbench arena and it's armed with a Snapdragon 695 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and Android 13, One UI 5.1. Hold on to your hats because it looks like this tablet, the variant SMX 216B, is geared up for 5G connectivity. It's a quantum leap from its predecessor, sporting a bigger display, a powerhouse processor, and blazing fast connectivity. But wait, there's more. Let's not forget the Galaxy Tab A9 SNX 115, which has just earned its FCC badge. It stands tall at 210.7 millimeters and stretches to 124.7 millimeters in width. Under its sleek exterior, it packs a punch with a 5000 mAh battery, a 15-watt charging speed, and yes, you guessed it, 5G connectivity. As for its processor, RAM, and Android version, we're still in the dark. Hold on to your tech-loving hearts, because rumor has it that Samsung is gearing up to unleash these powerhouses, the Galaxy Tab A9 and the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, before the year is out. And frankly, we're finding these reports incredibly believable as Samsung is pulling out all the stops to certify these sensational tablets. Get ready for a tech revolution. Peace out.